Hello, my cuties. How are you all? I hope you're doing fine, and so am I. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. And in the last class, we have discussed about heavy and light. Heavy and light. Have you all practiced at home? You must practice, okay? So, now in today's class, we will discuss about the concept of fat and thin. Fat and thin. Okay, so when we say fat, we can do like this. It's a fat. And then we say thin, it's thin like this. Skinny people, okay? So, we'll study about fat and thin. Let me show you one example. Okay, so what do I have here? A cucumber and a carrot. Can you tell me which is fat and which is thin? Obviously, the cucumber is fat and the carrot is thin. See the difference? Cucumber is fat and the carrot is thin. Okay, now I will show you some more examples. See, there are two boys here, right? This is fat. This is thin. Now this boy says, I am fat. And this boy says, I am thin. Okay, this is thin. This is fat. Mota, patla. Mota, patla. Okay, now we will do this activity. So, we have to put a tick mark on the fat things and put a cross on the thin ones. So, there are two monkeys here. See, 1, 2. There are two monkeys here. One is sitting here and the other monkey is eating bananas. Monkey eat bananas? Yes, monkey eats lots of bananas. So, this one monkey is eating bananas and that's why it's getting fat. Okay, so this monkey is fat and this monkey is thin. Fat, thin. So we'll put a tick mark on which monkey? This one. Okay, and put a cross on this one. Fat, thin. Now another one is there are two cows. There are two cows. One cow is looking so fat and this cow is very thin. So this one is fat and this cow is thin. Fat, thin. And do you know cow gives us milk? Yes, this is the cow and cow is the animal which gives us milk that makes us healthy and stronger. Okay, so I will put a tick mark on this cow and put a cross on this cow. Okay, fat, thin. Okay, now next one is there are two cats. There are two cats. Cat 1 and cat 2. This cat is thin and this cat is fat. A fatty cat, a thin cat, a fatty cat, a thin cat. Now we will put a tick mark on the fatty one and put a cross on the thin cat like this. Now I have a surprise for you all. Can you tell me what do I have? Okay, I will show you. Okay, so what do I have here? Do you watch this cartoon? It's a very famous cartoon. I also watch this cartoon. So what is this? It's Motu and this is Patlu. Motu, Patlu. Motu, Patlu. So this is Motu is fat. Motu is fat. And Patlu is thin. Patlu is thin. Motu, Patlu. Fat, thin. Okay. So Motu is fat and Patlu is thin. Okay. Now I hope you have got this concept by Motu and Patlu. Now that's it for today's class. Now I will see you in the next class. Till then, keep learning and happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.